fine. I'm trapped. I am killed. Okay. There. Corvette. That could look at. Ooh, I'm looking for nice skipping rocks while we're on the way. If there are any, but I know there is some. Nope, this is more like a tossing rock. I know there's something around here where there's a bridge.
You want to carry that, you can start putting them in your shirt if you want.
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay. Never touch anything.
Is that what you learned when you went on your hike? On your walkabout?
Yeah, don't touch anything. You never know, there might be snakes underneath leaves.
So that's why you need to stay on the trail, right?
Yeah, that's what I was doing the entire time.
Is this the trail you guys took?
Yep.
Oh, we took a different trail.
No,
Maybe next time
this is the part where we started.
Yeah, I know, but when me and Derek and Auntie went, we went on a different trail.
Oh.
Wasn't this nice?
This one is nice. It's
Yeah,
nice.
it was.
I know there's something around here where there's like this lake. Well, it's like a rushing. What's it called when there's...
Oh.
Oh.
I want to video you. As if
I'm like, what?
you're your daddy.
I just thought of something.
What did you just think of?
Know the way back.
Oh, we'll be fine. As if.
I don't know. Oh yeah, we can just use your phone and find the way back with the
Well, and there's maps too, baby. You just got to pay attention to the way you came in, for one.
Well, we came in from that way. I don't want to put a trail. So when we're walking back, ooh, stick. Look. Put the stick.
And why are you putting that stick right there?
So we know where. So I know if we're walking back and trying to get back, if this stick So
Oh, but how are you going to tell that stick from any other stick? Okay.
And this.
Okay.
Garbage.
Yeah. What kind of...
They're burning it. Don't know why.
Sometimes
Or lightning strikes.
Yeah, well, fire's part of a... Oh, look.
What?
There, look by your feet. Curse.
No.
Oh.
I wish I had something to write my name. So that